I have this little data inside my Excel sheet. This is employee ID, employee name, gender, age and education. I have put this data randomly by myself. Basically, I just want to cover up these points by using this data so that you can get a clarity about these all concepts. So first one, the starting cell reference. Cell reference starting is nothing but the starting cell. So in this data, what is the starting cell? The starting cell is nothing but this employee ID, which is A1. So here answer would be like A1. So this is my starting cell reference. Got it? Next, ending cell reference. Ending cell reference is the point where the last row and last column meet up. Means this one. This is E7. So now here what we have? We have E7. Next, the data range. Data range is nothing but from where to where your data is. Now if I select this entire, that means I have the data in this particular range. Range means from this starting point to this end point. You can also give and save the name of this range. For example, by default it is coming A1. If I double click here and put a range, for example range range 1 and put enter, so it has given now range 1. So I also copy this and paste it here. It is our range name. So next time whenever you click without clicking, you just want to select this particular range. To do so, you just click on this little drop arrow and click on this range 1. When you click on this, by default you can see your range has been selected. It is a benefit of keeping the range in your data so that you can work fastly. Range name is also the same because we have given it a range. If you don't want to give it a name, this range also be from A1 ratio to E7, because range is nothing but the one starting point and ending point. So our starting cell reference is A1 and ending cell reference is E7. So data range is A1 to E7 and range name is range 1. Now table name. Table name would be the same this range name, because a table is nothing but the combination of rows and columns with data. That means this is my table 1. If I give it a name, range 1 is my table 1 also, because as per the definition of table, a table is nothing but the combination, which means A1 2 3 4 5 and ABCD. So the combination of these rows and columns with some data value is known as the table. Okay. Now next, the number of columns. Number of columns. What are our columns? 1 2 3 4 5. So we are having 5 columns here. Next, the number of records. Number of records, how many we are having? We are having E1 2 3 4 5 6, E6, which means if you select all these and drag down, you can see here on the bottom also the count. In bottom you will also find these values, like it is coming 6. So we are having 6 records. Okay, we didn't consider this one because this is the header of this particular data or this particular table. This is not the data and this is not the record. Records are what? Which are having some information. Now next, number of character fields. Character and numeric field, that means the data types which we are going to cover up. Character fields means we are in text form. 1 2 3 4. We are having 4 character fields and 1 numeric fields. How we can easily identify this is character and this is numeric? For example, you can see here, if I am putting any text name with numeric, means that the alphanumeric or simply the alpha characters, it is coming to the right side of the cell. if they are left side of the cell, if they are coming just left, which it means these are the character values. If it is coming rightmost like 5, 6, 4, you can see these are numeric data types. So the character data types are what? E7 like this character data type, or alphanumeric, these are character data types, and in numeric these are 5, 6, 7, 4. And if I have date and time means we will see this data type in the next. So these are some basic about the range, the data, the range name, the reference, the data types are in the Excel. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.